Hi everyone, let's take a look at the following example. You paid $18,600 for a car that depreciates at a rate of 10% per year. How much will his car be worth after 7 years? Before we move on to step one, I do want to draw a diagram and mention the fact that most cars do depreciate over time. So if you're buying a brand new car, for example, very likely the car that you have selected will go down in value over time. Step number one, if you think about the formula, we can look at A equals to P times 1 plus I to the power of N. And of course, in this context, because the car depreciates, it means it's going to lose value. So instead of $18,600, it's going to go down over time. So when you think about that, it means the amount equals to the principal, which is the initial amount, 18,600 times 1 minus, and again, minus because we wrote down depreciates. Depreciation means it's going to decrease in value, and it decreases exactly at 10%. So it's going to be 1 minus 10% in decimals is going to be 0.10, and you close the bracket to the power of 7 years. So again, another way to think about this is you can say 10% depreciation means you're still retaining 90% of its value. So 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9 or 0.90. So again, think about buying an item, except it's on sale and it's 10% off. Well, if something is 10% off, just like in this context, it depreciates by 10%, you still pay 90% of the item, which in this context, the car still has 90% of its original value. But of course, this compounds over 7 years. So again, not to overstate this, but you basically take 18,600 times 90% to the power of 7. Again, you can grab your calculators, you can work this out. And it turns out that after 7 years, the car is worth $8,896.32. And of course, we do round to 2 decimal places since we're dealing with money in this example. And to finish, you can write down therefore, car is worth about $8,896.32 after 7 years. Like that. And we can just put this as the final step, also known as the final statement. If this video is adding value to your math life, please consider to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I hope this makes sense.